In this tutorial, we will look at how to generate and manage picklists. Picklists are generated on the Manage Orders page. For example, filter your orders by SKU and click Search. Now all orders containing this SKU will load. Select the orders you want to add in the picklist. Instead of generating a picklist of all orders and then using the Picklist Filters, it may be more efficient to filter the orders before generating a picklist or using the Saved Search option. Open the Actions menu and select Generate Picklist. The action request will schedule a queued job. To manage your picklists, go to Orders and select Manage Picklists. Picklists will display on the screen. You can filter and search for a specific picklist using filters. Now open the picklist. At the top are several filters for the products in the picklist. Using the Has Available Inventory filter, you can narrow your list to items that are available for picking. The term available can be set to any item which is available to pick. This is usually done for companies that ship partial orders. It can also be set to consider the entire order unavailable if even one of its items is not available. The two options can be set in the client settings. This filter narrows your search for existing or non-existing SKUs. The SKU may not exist in the Sellercloud system if the orders were imported from a different system. The Items filter can be used to create a separate picklist for orders with a single SKU and multiple SKUs. The Next filter can help to narrow your list to orders with kits or without them. The Is Picked filter will show items that were, or were not picked. Click Apply and the grid will display only the filtered orders. To print out your picklist, open the Actions tab and choose to either export a picklist to a PDF or to an Excel spreadsheet so that you can print it. Oftentimes you have purchase orders being received with items that are needed for unshipped orders. Sellercloud Receiving Module Receivebridge will display such items so that you can send such items directly to the shipping department as they are received. After scanning the purchase order in Receivebridge, click on the items and mark them as received. Right-click on the item and choose Create Picklist from the drop-down menu. Now you'll have a list of all items needed for shipping. When dealing with a high volume of orders, you can split your picklist by number of orders per shipper. To do so, select the items and click the Split Selected to New Picklist button. Each split picklist will be assigned a new picklist number. The shippers can use picklists in Shipbridge to prevent double shipping orders. Open Shipbridge and enter your assigned picklist number into the picklist filter. Select the items in the picklist and press Load Selected. Press OK to load orders. A picklist can be generated automatically at a scheduled time using the Scheduled Tasks option. Go to Settings, select Manage Scheduled Tasks. Click Create New Scheduled Task. Select the task type, enter the name, select the company, and configure the start time. Make sure to have a saved search already created that will determine the orders that will be included in the picklist. Click Create.